Hello. I'll give you a quick overview of the Problems API we started to introduce with Gradle 8.6. It enables a cleaner and more actionable way of reporting errors and warnings in Gradle. So what is the Problems API? At its core, the Problems API provides a standardized way for Gradle and its plugins to report issues encountered during the build process. This will replace fragmented error reporting with a consistent and structured approach. There are three main areas of the Problems API. The reporting API, this is the part that is called by Gradle internals as well as third-party plugins to report issues. The emitting API, this are problem events that can be consumed via the tooling API. The Problems HTML report is a single-page HTML report that helps you dig into some details of the reported problems. So who benefits from this? The user will benefit directly and indirectly from the API. The HTML report is immediately available for some areas within Gradle and for any custom plugin that feeds problems into the reporting API. Tooling API and IDE vendors can pick up the problem events and present more accurate information to the user. Plugin authors now have a clearly defined way of reporting problems to their user. For example, validation plugins like Detect and KTLint. So how does this work in practice? For this purpose, I have prepared a simple example of a plugin using the API. As you can see here is code that reports a problem, appends in a few solution suggestions, and a link to get further information on the issue. If we run this, there will be a link to an HTML report listing the reported problems. Now let's click on the link. This is the link, problems report available at. We can explore what problems have been reported and take action accordingly. Also, the previously added link is available here, for example, and you can use it to guide the users of your plugin to a more detailed description of the issue. So what's next for the Problems API? The project has reached a milestone, so it can be evaluated by a broader community. We'll further increase adoption within the Gradle codebase. So everyone who is interested in this feature, please try it and give us feedback. Thank you.